Imagine a natural ingredient that could help balance your blood sugar, detoxify your liver, support weight loss, and much more, all while being delicious and easy to incorporate into your food plan. This miracle spice might already be sitting in your kitchen. Despite its sweet and comforting flavor, its powerful health benefits often go unnoticed. Today, we'll uncover the science behind this incredible spice and how it can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Stick around to find out what it is and how to use it. Welcome to Levitas. How does it support blood sugar control? This remarkable spice has gained attention for its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice among those managing conditions like insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. But how does it work? The secret lies in its active compounds, particularly a bioactive component called cinnamaldehyde. This compound has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity by enhancing the ability of cells to respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. It also helps slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system, resulting in a steadier release of glucose into the bloodstream. In addition, this spice can mimic the effects of insulin by increasing glucose uptake by the cells. Research indicates it may also reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve A1C scores over time, making it a natural ally for metabolic health. What's fascinating is how accessible and versatile this spice is. Whether added to your breakfast, blended into kefir, or sprinkled on healthy desserts, it works behind the scenes to support your body's glucose management system without the need for fancy supplements or medications. How does it aid liver detox? Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, working tirelessly to filter toxins, metabolize fats, and process nutrients. This sweet and aromatic spice provides the perfect support to enhance liver function and detoxification. One of its most impressive benefits is its ability to reduce oxidative stress in the liver. The liver often encounters harmful free radicals as it processes toxins. This spice is rich in antioxidants, which neutralize these damaging molecules, protecting liver cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, it contains anti-inflammatory properties that reduce liver inflammation, often caused by exposure to toxins, alcohol, or a poor diet. By lowering inflammation, this spice allows the liver to function more efficiently, promoting the breakdown and elimination of toxins. Some studies suggest that this spice stimulates the production of certain detoxifying enzymes, which play a critical role in flushing harmful substances out of the body. It also supports healthy bile production, essential for digesting fats and eliminating fat-soluble toxins. When paired with a healthy lifestyle, this spice can act as a natural detox enhancer, helping your liver function at its peak and ensuring your body stays clean and balanced. How does it help flush out toxins? This spice doesn't just stop at supporting the liver, it actively helps flush toxins from your body through multiple pathways. But how does it achieve this? First, its antioxidant properties come into play. By reducing oxidative stress and combating inflammation, it prevents cellular damage that toxins can cause. This ensures your body's detox systems, including the liver and kidneys, remain in optimal condition. Secondly, this spice has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It can help combat harmful pathogens in the gut and bloodstream, reducing the toxic load on your system. By keeping your gut microbiota balanced, it ensures fewer toxins are absorbed into your body. Additionally, it promotes healthy digestion, which is a critical pathway for toxin elimination. This spice helps stimulate peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food and waste through your digestive tract. By supporting regular bowel movements, it prevents the accumulation of waste products and toxins in the intestines. Whether it's through balancing gut bacteria, aiding digestion, or reducing oxidative damage, this spice acts as a comprehensive detoxifier, ensuring toxins are efficiently processed and eliminated from your body. What is this sweet and powerful spice? The incredible spice we've been discussing is cinnamon. Sweet, spicy, and packed with health-boosting properties, cinnamon is a staple in kitchens worldwide. Beyond its delicious flavor, its benefits extend to blood sugar control, liver detox, and gut health, making it a true superfood hiding in plain sight. What is the best way to consume it for detox? To harness cinnamon's detoxifying powers, incorporating it into your daily routine is easy and versatile. The best way to consume cinnamon for detox is to use Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, as it has lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large quantities. Start your day with a detoxifying cinnamon tea by steeping half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick in hot water. You can also add a dash of cinnamon to your morning coffee, smoothies, or kefir for an extra health boost. For those who prefer a stronger approach, try combining cinnamon with a tablespoon of raw organic honey and warm water. This blend not only enhances cinnamon's detoxifying effects, but also provides an antimicrobial kick. Remember, moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day to enjoy its benefits safely. Does it have any weight loss benefits? Cinnamon's weight loss benefits are rooted in its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels and curb cravings. By reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes, it helps prevent the storage of excess glucose as fat. Furthermore, cinnamon's thermogenic properties can slightly increase your body's heat production, boosting calorie burn. It also enhances satiety by slowing gastric emptying, which means you feel fuller for longer after meals. When paired with a healthy food plan and regular exercise, cinnamon can play a supportive role in weight management, helping you achieve your goals naturally and sustainably. How does it improve gut health? Cinnamon is a gut health powerhouse, offering multiple benefits that support digestion and maintain a balanced microbiome. One of its key features is its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which help combat harmful bacteria, yeast, and fungi in the digestive tract. This can be particularly beneficial in reducing overgrowths like candida, which can lead to digestive issues. Moreover, cinnamon supports a healthy gut lining. It contains compounds that reduce inflammation and protect the integrity of the intestinal wall, helping to prevent conditions like leaky gut syndrome, where toxins and undigested food particles can enter the bloodstream. Cinnamon also aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption and reducing bloating and gas. Its ability to regulate gut motility ensures smooth digestion and regular bowel movements, both critical for toxin elimination. Finally, cinnamon promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Studies suggest it can help create a favorable environment for probiotics to thrive, contributing to better overall gut health and immunity. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can support a healthier digestive system while enjoying its warm, sweet flavor. Does it have any side effects? While cinnamon is generally safe, excessive consumption can lead to side effects due to its coumarin content, particularly in cassia cinnamon, the most common type found in stores. High amounts of coumarin may cause liver damage or interfere with blood thinning. To avoid side effects, stick to Ceylon cinnamon, which has significantly lower coumarin levels. Limit your intake to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day and avoid cinnamon supplements unless recommended by your healthcare provider. If you're pregnant, diabetic, or on medications, consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes involving cinnamon. Moderation is key to enjoying its benefits safely. In conclusion, cinnamon, the sweet and spicy powerhouse, offers a wealth of benefits for your health. From stabilizing blood sugar levels through improved insulin sensitivity to aiding liver detox by reducing oxidative stress, this versatile spice works in harmony with your body. Its antimicrobial properties help flush out toxins, while its gut health benefits, such as supporting the gut lining and promoting beneficial bacteria, enhance overall digestion. Cinnamon's role in weight management and thermogenesis further showcases its metabolic perks. However, to avoid potential side effects, opt for Ceylon cinnamon in moderation. With this simple yet powerful spice, your journey to wellness becomes flavorful and effective too. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.